first of all, thank you EM Media for this wonderful opportunity. So my name is Hariram. I'm working as a BDM at Pico Technology. You can see here, right? So we are actually into PC-based test and measurement equipments. We do have PC-based oscilloscopes, agile synthesizer, VNA for RF side. So we do have various products. So here we have demonstrated some of our product. You can take a look. So this is our MSO 5000 series, which we call it as MSO 5444D, where we have 4 channel and 200 MHz bandwidth. So you can see here. So right now I have connected the arbitrary waveform generator to the channel 1. So you can generate the signal. So whatever the kind of signal you need, like sine, triangle, ramp, or arbitrary wave, whatever the wave you want, you can generate it. So plus we have a serial decoding options, and we have multiple auto measurement options. You can have a multiple measurement options from here. So this is a basic demonstration about our 5000 series. So here you can see our very pocket friendly product, which is Pico 2000 series. So it is easy to carry. If you have a huge pocket, you can put it there and you can carry it. Yes, that's the innovation Pico Technology. So actually we are the we are the one who first make this kind of product. So I think you all guys know about the benchtop model, right? So, right. Yes. So that's our main advantage. So we can use it in our field work. So that's our main advantage actually. So I will take off my mask. It's I know it's COVID, but okay. So here I have just this is a demo unit. I haven't connected any 9000 series equipment. So this is a 20 gigahertz sampling oscilloscope. We call it a sampling oscilloscope. So we do have both type. One is real-time oscilloscope and another is sampling oscilloscope. So in real-time oscilloscope we have up to 1 gig, and in sampling oscilloscope we have up to 25 gig, sorry. .com. So you can download this software. So you can go to the demo unit. So this I am actually haven't connected any unit. This is a demo presentation actually. So here you can check the eye diagram, histogram, whatever you want. So in the eye diagram you can see eye width, amplitude, eye height and everything. So if you want to use it, if you want to check how actually Pico works, you can download the software in a free of cost from our site and you can use it. And if you feel convenient with this, please contact us. We can provide you better support.
And what about this VNA?
Yeah, so this is our vector network analyzer. So we don't have any spectrum analyzer integrated with VNA or some kind of product. This is a separate VNA where we can measure S11, S12, S21 and S22. 2 ports are available. We have up to, starting from 6 gig, we have 8.5 gigs. 2 models. So in future we will be having more number of products. And we are very we don't have much product in RF sides. So like some other manufacturers, we don't have spectrum analyzer, signal analyzer, all integrated in one system. We don't have that kind of products. We only have VNA from RF side. And here you can see a data logger. So this is a thermocouple data logger, TC08, 8 channel 1. So we do have current data logger, voltage data logger, and all kind of data loggers. We do have a separate data logger for everything. So I request you all guys to visit our site, which is www.picotech.com. You can view our product